Faisalabad Falcons lost their first two important wickets on just 11 runs as 1 hour completely. Oh wow, what a crowd there. No matter wicket is gone, but still they are cheering. They are supporting their own influencers. Maybe they are supporting Raja Bhatt as he has very important social media partner there. He has a lot of followers on YouTube and TikTok there. But now he's fighting with the help of bat and ball on a ground, Jinnah Stadium. I have no words to say that there's a lot of crowd out there. No empty space is present over there. Look at that. Planning continue there. Planning is on its peak. Now the second over. We will have to wait. The Raja Bhatt home give the ball to deliver the second over. At the right situation, Faisalabad Falcons are not in good position. And here you can watch it, the crowd enjoying there with their families. They are just roaring, they are just delighting, enjoying conditions there. You are enjoying this beautiful cricket tournament live on Big Bath app. You can download it from Play Store easily and stay connected with us till last the night. And Raja Bhatt planning is continued there in order to secure their team into the semi-final round. As a slightly mistake, can you jumped out from reaching the semi-finals. I think he is choosing Rashid lefty for a second over there. And you can just watch it. I have of course no word to say that. What a continued drama there. Now the second over will come from Rashid lefty. His start is run up. This time, that's a white ball. Empire is looking not satisfied with that delivery. It means Rashid lefty have to go its and again and deliver the again ball. Eight number jersey Rashid lefty is wearing. This time, that's looking a good delivery. Low fall toss there. Fumble on there and 2 runs succeeded. You can enjoy it. All the families are enjoying this event as the Nabil Shahzad have arranged for families as well as individual fans to enjoy this event. Good graphics work from Sports Pro. You can watch it, couple enjoying there. They are also want to see their influencers on a ground. This is first time in cricket history in Pakistan that influencer cricket league is occurring in Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. Rashid lefty will deliver his second ball over there. Starts his run up with a delight in order to score the wicket. This time, no proper connection and no further run will add it to the Faisalabad Falcons. The batsmen have stopped him for a runs. Maybe he wants to secure plenty of runs from his bat. Third delivery is loading from Rashid lefty. This time, very good goal there. Wow, what a good length there. The batsman could not judge this delivery and become hopeless this delivery. Rashid lefty on his very good bowling spell there. Gujra, Lahore Lions. Lahore Lions is strongly dominating over Faisalabad Falcons. Once again, Rashid lefty starts his run up. Another good ball, same connection and same line and length. No communication between the bat and ball. He's laughing. There are a lot of families enjoying there. I have no words to explain the word because there are very people and families are enjoying in Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. This time the catch. Yes, it has. It will taken. Oh my goodness. Third breakthrough for Faisalabad Falcons. Rashid lefty have got a wicket. But what drama there. Drama there. Raja Bhatt is demanding for a wicket. Maybe the ball touch on his shoulder. It means he's in safe situation over there. It was very close to the bat, so we mistakenly said that's a wicket. Mandoge says that, what are you doing, brother, there? You should hit the ball onto the out of the park in order to score our team into the semi-final round, as we have no more chances. Two legal deliveries are still remaining. These are the families enjoying. They are showing the board of 6 runs, but still 6 runs are not coming, and that's a quick delivery, but that's a no ball there. That was a big mistake from a Russian lefty. Now we will wait how much benefit will get this batsman on this free hit delivery, as he have protection shield on him. If he bowled himself or give the catch, then he's in safe situation over there. Last delivery of the second over, and he's for his first over. Another good ball, and this time no chance for the third man. It gone for 4. No matter where the ball on there, but still he get 4 runs. 19 runs on the board. These are the families that are enjoying this event. Still one delivery is still pending over there. I think that's a very low total there. Lahore Lions are on his peak. Their bowlers are running tonight. Rush lefty once again starts his run up for his last delivery. This time the ball is in the air. It should be taken. No, it has. 2 catches dropped. Not good for fielding from Lahore Lions. Just imagine if these previous 2 catches will be taken, that the conditions may be very theirs, and 4 wickets will gone on just 2 overs. But luck is with Faisalabad Falcons batsmen, and 2 over gones, 21 runs on the board with the loss of 2 wickets. Twenty-one runs on the board. Now the bowler, new bowler has come with the 11 number shirt. He will deliver his first over and third over for his team. 11 runs average Faisalabad Falcons are playing, but from me, that's a very low total if you play with just 11 runs average. Shoes was changed there in order to secure their complete and sharp run up. That's a very crucial match between Faisalabad Falcons and Lahore Lions. This time, third over and first delivery, and the ball is in the air. It should be taken, and catch is taken. Oh my goodness, another breakthrough there. Third wicket is gone, and bowler is looking very delighted. He is celebrating his style with Rajat Bhatt, and Rajat Bhatt is clapping with his teammates. What a celebration style there. Third wicket has lost on just 21 runs. You can see replay. The batsman hit onto the leg side, but the ball was not enough to cover the fence, and fielder was present over there. He takes very easy but a difficult catch in of high left. Faisalabad Falcons have lost their 3 wickets on just 21 runs. That's not good for Faisalabad Falcons. On the other hand, Lahore Lions are on their peak stage. Maybe little bit confusion from the front side, but no problem. He will go his and again. Bowler once again up there, start his run up. This time the ball is very far from the wickets, and umpire will not satisfy with this delivery. He said that's a white ball. Faisalabad Falcons, both batsmen are not looking on good form. Their bats are on silent mode. Once again, bowler start his run up. This time, not good bowling start from this bowler for good Lahore Lions against Faisalabad Falcons. 2 consecutive wides over there. These are the families enjoying there. They have 4 signboards, 6 signboards on their hand, but still no anybody is coming over there. They are waiting for a boundary. This time he hit on the target, hit on the body, but you can not get runs in the form of leg by. To get runs, you will have to touch the bat with the ball. Almost all sides of the ground are filled with spectators that are enjoying this Influencer Cricket League on Big Bath application. They are changing their field, want to do something amazing for his team. The young babies are also enjoying in a ground. This time, good ball, Yorker length, but still he got 1 run. The batsman will face the 4th delivery of this over. This time proper correction, and it will surely gone out of the park. What a sensational hit. from this batsman, maximum after a lot of time. This is the thing you need more Faisalabad Falcons in order to secure your team into the semi-final round. You can see replay, high back lift, sharp eyes and dispatch onto the leg side. Very long maximum and it will go into the stand. Just look at that. Umpire raises his hand. That it will gone all the way. And fans love that shot. Now the situation is slightly best for the Faisalabad Falcons. They are on 30 runs. Fifth delivery is loading. Now the ball is very far from the wicket and umpire is not satisfied with that delivery. He will surely separate his hand. That's a white ball. Look at that. These are the spectators, young. They are enjoying their influencers live. That's a cricket. No matter what is your age, all the fans are enjoying this event. And that's a very good ball. The batsman could not judge this ball. And in this way, no communication between the bat and ball. Now the one delivery is loading. Last delivery of this over. He starts his run up with a delight and full energy. He plays on the cover side and fielder is present over there. One run further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. 3 hours completed. Faisalabad Falcons 32 runs with the loss of 3 wickets. That fans enjoying moment. They are raising their thumbs. It means they are getting lot of entertainment from Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala. You can imagine, you cannot even imagine how much crowd is present over there. It will not wrong to say that Gujranwala Stadium is completed. Little bit communication between the Mandogar and his teammates. Show target on a scoreboard. Look on right night event. Rashid Lefty will deliver his second over and his fourth over for his team. Starts his run up. This time he punished onto the leg side and no chance for the fielder over there. 4 runs further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. That was a ground attack, but he will get 4 runs easily. No chance for the fielder. Look at that. He want to hit out of the park, but no matter. He will get 4 runs. No chance for the both the fielders. Bowler versus ball and ball wins the race. Now the pressure is increasing on this fielder. Change of length, change of result from Rashid Lefty. That's a good use of variations by Rashid Lefty. You can also enjoy this event live on Pakistan Best Broadcasting app, Big Bath. You can also download it from the Play Store And this is the rising Gujranwala. Beautiful lightning works there. No communication between the bat and ball. Dot ball. "36 runs on the board with the loss of 3 wickets. Rashid lefty once again from its bowling, and his run-up is slightly looking very long. This time, no still communication between the bat and ball and other dot ball. Pressure is gradually increasing on the Faisalabad Falcons. This is also young baby. He will also imagine where I am, and I want to tell you that you are in right Jinnah Stadium, Gujranwala, where Influencer Cricket League ICL is continuing. Rashid lefty once again for the 5th delivery. This time he punished, but not proper. But he still got 2 runs. Effort for the 3rd run, and it will also get fastest running between the wickets like a cheetah. 3 runs further added to the scoreboard. 39 runs. Still 1 delivery is pending from Rashid lefty. Rashid lefty once again. He will start his run up. This time he punished. The ball is high in the air. It will cover the fence or not. No. That was very difficult catch because the ball has got very long flight in the air. 4 overs completed. 41 runs on the board with the loss of 3 wickets. Planning is still continuing. They are planning to. A lot of fans are enjoying this contest. Oh my goodness. That's a very wonderful decision from the Rajabat. He will deliver his first over and 5th over for his team. Now the Rajabat with the help of ball. Rajabat first time on a bowling there. Finally the wait is over. Rajabat now will deliver his very first over and 5th over for his team. Rajabat, he's the captain of his team, Lahore Lions. He's just setting the field according to his opinion. That's a very wonderful competition there. Rajabat will deliver his first ball. This time he punished onto the leg side, no matter who his bowler is there, because Faisalabad Falcons are batsmen over there. First ball, first maximum. Now the Haris has arrived to the Rajabat. Brother, what are you doing? First ball, first maximum. No respect against Rajab, but this is the replay. The ball was slightly poor and he punished into the leg side, into the stand. This time, girls come back and this is the second delivery. Dot ball. Good revenge from the Rajabat. Some plan has also reached there. He was a Rashi lefty. Gujarat Lions captain, Lahore Lions captain Rajabat. This time he punished into the leg side. No chance for the fielder. 4 runs further added to the scoreboard of Faisalabad Falcons. No respect from Faisalabad Falcons batsman towards the captain of Lahore Lions Rajabat. 99 jersey number he is wearing. He is on very difficult situation. Pressure is now increasing on Rajabat. What are you doing, Rajabat? You need wicket like the previous bowlers. For delivery will come from Rajabat and step out and stump. Yes! Oh my goodness! Revenge has been taken of 6. He is cheering. He is looking very happy. And his teammates also come and they are cheering. Just look at that. Rajabat, he is enjoying. His teammates are also enjoying. They have also got wicket of 4th. And he is showing the snake sign to the Mandogar. He is just saying, no baby, no baby. It's not easy to hit 6. That's a replay. The ball slightly turns into the wickets and the fielder keeper was there and he stumped out the batsman who was hitting the 6 to the Rajabat. Look at that. What a celebration from Rajabat. As they have lost their 4 wickets on just 51 runs. Maybe replay over there. They are just checking the stump out. I think the surely wicket has gone. No chance for the batsman. The ball slightly turns into the wickets and keeper successfully hit the ball into the stumps. In this way, he has lost his wicket. Situations are looking very clearly that the wicket has gone, but still third umpires are watching very close. और ये fifth delivery will very surely good for the Lahore Lions captain Rajabat. Rajabat deliver his last over, last delivery. This time he punished onto the cover side. The ball covered the fence with the valve of 1 bounce. 1 bounce for 4 runs further added to the scoreboard. 5 over goals, 55 runs on the board with the loss of 4 wickets. Now the Haras has arrived on the bowling end to deliver the 6th over and his first over. His 1 number shirt, he is counting their fielders. Now, Haras his start, his run-up. First ball and first maximum. It's out of the park. Ooh. That's a very close decision because, yes, it has. It will cover the fence beautifully. The fielder has not delivered his best effort. He can also take it to catch, but it will cover the fence. Look at that replay. The ball was very close to the fielder, but no chance for the fielder. He collided with the fan with there. The fans are also showing the signboards of maximum. Haris is looking on very tough situation as no mercy from the batting side. And the second ball turned away to the wicket. Is the Maan Dogger there? Tough competition between the Maan Dogger and Heather. There's time, stump out. Now the Maan Dogger also lost his wicket. He's just likely to go to the pavilion. And look at that. The friendship between the Maan Dogger and Rajabhat. He is laughing at the Maan Dogger. You will have to reach to the pavilion and look at that. Rajabhat, he's looking very delighted. His teammates are clapping to each other. Now the Atif Chanu will join his company. Look at that, Rajabhat, he's the captain of the Lahore Lions. He and his team is performing very well in this match. Look at that replay. The harder delivered the very good ball and it turns away from the batsman, and Rajabhat was the keeper there and he gets a wicket with the help of touching the stumps.